Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into some exciting news from the world of Samsung and its Galaxy ecosystem. It's all about software updates, data privacy, and the never-ending battle for user convenience. So, buckle up as we explore these developments and share my thoughts on what they mean for you and your devices. First up, let's talk about Samsung's recent announcement regarding AirDrop. This feature, which has been a staple for Apple users, is now making its way to Galaxy phones. But here's the catch, it's not as seamless as you might think. To activate AirDrop on your Samsung device, you need to update your Google Play Services app. This reveals a deeper connection between Android and Apple's ecosystems, with Google's services playing a crucial role. It's an interesting move, and it raises questions about the future of cross-platform sharing. Now, here's where things get a bit more complex. Samsung's approach to software updates has evolved, and it's doing so in a way that aligns with modern software ecosystems. By running parallel tracks for development and release, Samsung aims to deliver faster feature maturity. This means more frequent updates and a continuous stream of improvements. It's a bold strategy, and it could redefine how we perceive Galaxy software. No more waiting for annual jumps, instead, expect a steady flow of enhancements. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and Samsung's new approach also brings privacy concerns to the forefront. The Now Brief feature, designed to provide a personalized daily briefing, is collecting a vast amount of user data. To access certain recommendations, like YouTube videos, Samsung is asking for consent to access sensitive information like your schedule, wallet, and browsing history. It's a fine line between personalization and data farming, and it's up to users to decide where they draw the line. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, it's a reminder that technology is constantly evolving, and companies are finding new ways to enhance our experiences. But with these advancements come choices and considerations. As a user, you have the power to decide how much access you grant to your data. It's a delicate balance, and it's important to stay informed and make conscious decisions. In my opinion, Samsung's moves are intriguing, but they also highlight the need for transparency and user control. As we embrace these new features, let's not forget the importance of privacy and the value of our personal information. It's a fascinating time in the tech world, and I can't wait to see how these developments unfold. Stay tuned, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.